We just go to the tap and drink our water. We go to the restroom and it's gone. It's not an issue for us. It's just something that we just do, like our heartbeat. It just happens. In the Galapagos, they're developing rapidly, but there has been very, very little microbiology done. So we're interested in finding out what's in the water, first of all, since there has been so little research done on the islands, and also where it's coming from. So we want to look at the human impacts of fecal contamination and how that contamination could potentially negatively impact the local people as well as tourists that are visiting. And then the overarching goal would be the health of the animal and plant communities as well. Oh, it does? Yep. pH is 9.14. Temperature is 22.8. And conductivity is 20.01 microsiemens per centimeter.
The purpose of this first trip is to take a broad survey of the water quality of the island. From this preliminary data, we can zone in on areas that have the highest risk of public health. It's really important to understand how we can improve their infrastructure so that when people come here and they see a pristine environment, that we know that behind that there actually is a pristine environment. I think that working with water quality in relation to human health is really, really important because you realize that it's not just a study that you're going to do and that is going to be put in a book or in a paper, but it's actually going to be applied. Our goal is to not only acquire information and understand systems better, but also to have people that are non-academics or non-scientists understand it more thoroughly. 89 degrees, 36 feet, 29 points. It's one of these canaries in the coal mine. There's very few areas across the globe where you can say this is a pristine environment, and that's why we care about it. We want to maintain its quality. They always say, if you love your job, it's not a job. And it's a fantastic feeling at the end of the day to know that you're doing something that will help out other people or the environment in the end. There's this tight relationship between the people and the environment. They depend on the islands for their livelihood. So it's not just science, it's helping people.